Welcome to Easy and Quick Python Programming for Kids Foundation course.
Session 3 Arithmetic and Logical Operators.
In this session, we are going to learn about arithmetic operators as addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Let's learn additional operator. First, create two variables as we have already learned a and b. A equals to 5, b equals to 5. For addition, we are using addition operator and store the result in variable called result. To see the result, use print statement. Output of this program will be 5 plus 5 equals 10. Let's do this program for additional operator in Python editor. Let's create new Python file. Give a proper name, addition operator a equals to 5. Create variable a and b. Then use addition operator as result equals to a additional operator plus b and print this result. Run. So output is 10. Similarly, you can try for subtraction, multiplication and other operators also. And output will come like this.
Let's run a program to understand all arithmetic operators. Let's do a program for arithmetic operator. We'll take a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2, and now we'll do subtraction first. Print a minus b. You know output is 3. Then we'll try multiplication. A into b should be 10. Then we'll do exponential. So 5 raised to 2, it should be 25. Let's learn assignment operator. In first line, you can say like a is equal to 5 means 5 is getting assigned to variable a. In second line, you can say a plus equal to 1 means this is something like shorthand operators which is equivalent to a is equal to a plus 1 means a plus value and value will be again stored back to variable, so output become value 6. In third line, we can say a minus equal to 1 means 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 and 5 will be getting stored into variable a. Similarly, we can use other operators and check the output. You can run same program in your editor and confirm the output as above. Let's do a program to understand assignment operators. Assignment operator. Here we will define a is equal to 5, a plus equal to 2. So 5 plus 2, 7 will be stored in a variable a, will print it, and output is 7. So we'll go back and again make it division operator. So 5 divided by 2 will print as 2.5. If you want it only integer division, then we can do it's slash slash 2. We need to run it again from line number 1. A is equal to 5. A slash slash 2 means only integer will come as output, and output is 2. Comparison operator. This operator will compare the result based on comparative conditions and provide output in a Boolean format as a true or false. Here A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10. First condition is A less than B. It will check, does 5 less than 10? Yes, so result will be true. Second condition, A less than equal to B. Does 5 less than or equal to 10? Yes, so output will be true. Next it will check like A greater than equal to B. So 5 greater than equal to B? No, so result will be false. The next condition, A is not equal to B. Does 5 is not equal to B? True, so result will be true. And last condition, A equal to B means does A exactly equal to B? 5 is exactly equal to 10? No, so result will be false. Open your Python editor, write this program and confirm output of comparison operators. So here A is equal to 5, shift enter, B is equal to 10, shift enter. Here we will do the comparison. A less than B, output is true. If you want to print, just add it into print section. A greater than equal to B, shift enter, false. 5 is not greater than 10. Does 5 is equal to 10? False. Does 5 is not equal to 10? True. Logical operators. And or not are major logical operators. And is equivalent to multiplication, or is equivalent to addition, and not is equivalent to negation. Here A is equal to true means value 1, and B is equal to false means value 0. A and B means 1 multiplied by 0, result will be 0, so output will be false. Second condition, A or B means 1 plus 0, result will be 1, means output will be true. Print not A means negation of true is false, so output will be false. So here we can observe output is false, true, false. Let's run a program of logical operators. A is equal to true, B is equal to false, print A and B. So here 1 and false is 0, so A and B is 1 into 0, so result is 0, so output will be false. Next we will check print A or B. So 1 plus 0, result will be 1, so result will be true. Instead of and or, we can use symbolic operators also. And symbolic operator, result will be same, or symbolic operator. Okay, now we will check negation operation. Not A is equal to false. In this topic, we covered arithmetic operations, assignment operation, comparison operation, and logical operators. Enjoy the learning and fun with Python programming.